Max Life Smart Fixer Return Digital Plan. Will investing in this policy help us create the financially secure future for our family as we dream of? Or is investing in this policy worth the returns we get at the end? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis about this policy in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decisions to reach your financial goals in a smarter and faster way. So before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is Max Life Smart Fixed Return Digital Plan and what are its key features. So this is a non-linked, non-participating individual life insurance savings plan, and some of its key features are: it gives you guaranteed returns payable as a lump sum at your maturity. Also, you have the flexibility to choose the level of death benefit cover you might need for the financial security for your family in the future. And they also give you the option of taking a loan against this policy to help you in case of any financial emergencies. You can also enjoy higher benefits for the higher premiums you have paid as per your chosen goals. There is special benefits for women customers, and there are tax benefits which are available as per the prevailing tax laws. So in the Max Life Smart Fixed Return Digital Plan, there are three kinds of plan variants you can choose from. First is the Gold Plan variant, which has a premium paying term of single payment. Also, there is a Platinum Plan variant, which has a premium paying term of 5 years, and there is also a Titanium Plan variant, which has a premium paying term of 5 years. Now let's look at the death benefit and maturity benefit that comes under each plan variant to better understand these variants. So if you are someone who has chosen the gold plan variant, the death benefit could be either 1.25 times or 10 times of the single premium you have chosen as a policyholder. The maturity benefit will be the guaranteed lump sum on survival at the end of your chosen period of your policy term, which could either be 5 years or 10 years chosen by you. And under the gold plan variant, you can also opt for joint life coverage. And second, now we are going to look at the platinum plan variant, where the death benefit is at least 11 times the annualized premium you pay. And the maturity benefit is also the guaranteed lump sum on survival, which as per your chosen policy term, which can be either 5 years or 10 years. Now let's take a look at the titanium plan variant, where the death benefit is the same as the platinum plan variant, which is the 11 times the annualized premium, and the maturity benefit is the guaranteed lump sum on survival depending on your policy term of 5 or 10 years. But under this maturity benefit, the lump sum you get includes additional benefits in the form of guaranteed additions, which accrue once you have completed paying all your premiums in the policy term. Now, as we have understood the basic working of this plan by looking at the death benefit, maturity benefit, the key features of this plan, now let's take a look at the advantages that we might get by investing in the Max Life Smart Fixed Return Digital Plan. So, there are riders which can be added to your base policy, and also there are policy loans available under this product which are subjected to a maximum limit of your 75% of your surrender value. And if you have chosen the gold variant, you can also opt for the joint life cover option. And as we have understood the advantages, now it's time to understand the disadvantages, because it's equally important to understand the disadvantages as well, as it will reveal the risk you might potentially take if you choose to invest in the Max Life Smart Fixed Return Digital Plan. So as we have seen some of the key features, you must keep in mind that it will not be available if you have opted for a gold variant plan. Also, the benefits here are guaranteed, but as far as we can see, the returns here are not as favorable as we might want. And the policy term and the premium paying term are rigid. You cannot change it, or it's not flexible according to your personal needs. So that might be a little bit hassle for you. So you can keep these factors in mind before choosing to invest in the Max Life Smart Fixed Return Digital Plan. So now let's move to the main part of the video, which is the IRR analysis. IRR analysis means analyzing the internal rate of return. So no matter what benefits or advantages we might get, it's important to understand the internal rate of return, the return we will get at the end of the policy term. So that's what makes it realize whether investing in the Max Life Smart Fixed Return Digital Plan is worth it or not at the end. So for calculating the IRR, we have chosen to calculate it based on the calculator given on the Max Life website, and also we have calculated this IRR analysis using the figures they have mentioned in their policy brochure. So let us assume, just for example purposes, that a 40-year-old male purchases the Max Life Smart Fixed Return Digital Plan with a sum assured of 22 lakhs, and he has chosen a policy term for 10 years, and the premium paying term is 5 years with an annual premium of 2 lakhs. Let us just assume that he has opted for the platinum variant. So if he pays the premium for 5 years, he will receive the maturity benefit along with the accrued guaranteed additions at the end of the 10 years of his policy term. So if we calculated it that way, we can see at the end of the policy term, this male gets, the policy holder gets 17 lakhs 25,550 rupees as its maturity benefit with an IRR of 7%. If you look at the IRR for 7%, it does make it look like an attractive investment option because it matches the inflation rate. But however, you need to understand one important point, that there is no liquidity available in this option. So your investment is locked until the end of your policy term. So the lack of liquidity makes the Max Life Smart Fixed Return Digital Plan less appealing. Additionally, the sum assured is also relatively low compared to how long we have invested in this policy. So for that purpose, now we are going to compare Max Life Smart Fixed Return Digital Plan with other investment products available in the market, just to see if we can get better returns if we choose to invest in other asset classes based on this calculation. We have chosen a different investment strategy for the comparison purpose. We are not going to choose to invest in a insurance policy where it provides both insurance life cover and investment purpose in the same policy. We are going to separate the life cover and the investment from our choice of investments. Why? Because we think it can help us with our wealth accumulation process a little bit better. So let us see if it's true. So what we are going to do is, we have opted for a pure term life insurance policy for life cover purpose with the same sum assured as Max Life Smart Fixed Return Digital Plan for 22 lakhs, which would cost us an annual premium of 21,500. And as same as the Max Life Smart Fixed Return Digital Plan, we have chosen a policy term of 10 years with a premium payment term of 5 years. And the balance amount out of 2 lakhs, if we choose to invest 21,500 in the pure term insurance policy, we will get 1,78,500. We have chosen to invest this in a ELSS mutual funds. Why ELSS mutual funds, which is a risk related instrument, is because in ELSS mutual funds, we can choose to invest if you are going to invest in a long term, because in long term it has given us a consistent track record of even achieving up to 12% IRR per annum. So this is something the track record has given us, and according to that track record, we have chosen to invest in ELSS mutual funds because one, we are going to invest in a long term. So investing in a long term in a risk related instrument like ELSS mutual funds can give us both the liquidity and also better returns compared to the Max Life Smart Fixed Return Digital Plan. So investing in long term in a risk related instrument might potentially maximize our returns. So if we look at the returns we get, we at the end of the policy term we get 22 lakhs 38,000 compared to 17 lakhs 25,000 as the maturity benefit which we get by Max Life Smart Fixed Return Digital Plan. Here we get more than that. Also the IRR return is 10.46%. First of all, what we need to understand is the post pre-tax value was 28.38 lakhs, but the post-tax value is 21.13 lakhs. So even if you deduct the taxes, still it's coming around 21.13 lakhs with an IRR of 10.46%, which is definitely an inflation beating return, a good risk adjusted return. So these returns compared to Max Life Smart Fixed Return Digital Plan exceed the inflation rate, whereas Max Life Smart Fixed Return Digital Plan can only match the inflation rate. Here it exceeds the inflation rate, giving you a greater benefit also from the greater liquidity options available here. So finally, what is the final verdict on Max Life Smart Return Digital Plan? You might think that as this is an endowment plan, it's giving us a return which might seem attractive for a fixed instrument product. But here there are some considerations we should factors we should consider, which is there is no flexibility in adjusting your policy term and premium payment term according to your personal requirements. And also, even if this return seems attractive for a fixed instrument product, you need to understand that your investment is long term, so this lack of liquidity might be a hindrance for you in the future. So if you want to invest in a long time like 7 to 10 years, you can choose to invest in a little bit of risk related products, because for a long term investments, like if you choose to invest in ELSS mutual funds, it has a track record of giving you better returns compared to a fixed instrument product. Also, why choosing to invest in a 7 to 10 years is because in that time your the market cycle would have gotten completed, and also potentially you will get a stable and most you can maximize your potential returns. So as the market cycle would have completed, you the potential to maximize your returns is greater here. So you can choose to separately by investing in your life cover and investment purpose separately, because it can aid in your wealth accumulation process more effectively. While by choosing to invest in a pure term insurance policy, you can opt for a higher coverage even with an affordable premium, unlike the premium you're paying on a max life smart return digital plan. And also, by choosing to invest in various asset classes, you're diversifying your investments and making the potential for maximizing your returns even a little better. But if you're having doubts how to invest and which will suit which way, which strategy will suit you better, suit your investment needs better, it's better if you involve a professional like a certified financial planner to help in your financial planning process to create a more financially secure future. Because as a professional, they will be able to look at all factors, you like your investment objective, your the asset allocation you need to give to each investment you want to, and also your risk profile, and what kind of overlap ratios between your portfolio and the investment you want to invest in. So they will look at all kinds of factors and will personalize an investment strategy that will help you to achieve your financial goals in a more smarter and faster way. So choosing to involve a professional in your financial planning process is definitely a wise move which you might want to consider. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.